Hi,
What's up, Danny? We love
Hi.
you.
We
and
love you.
We appreciate all your love that you give to us, and we thank you.
We love
We're
you.
outside our efficiency, our studio apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty day. It's nice. We live across from an old library. Yeah, it's nice. But we love you. We don't want to make
love
this
you.
long. Just, we just want to tell you that.
Tell Chance and Vega hi.
Yeah, even though they're probably like, who are they? Or are they I bet Chance is like, is that the girls that came up and hugged me at the Ultimate?
Well, they're sweethearts.
Yeah.
So.
And you know what it's like to have girls, so I'm sure we drive you crazy, but yeah, you can't live with them, you can't live without them, right?
Men need women.
Yeah.
They wouldn't be here without them.
Yeah. So we love you, and we want to make this short, but we love you, and thank you for all you do.
Thank you. Bye, sexy.
Bye.
Bye.